So I was out, do a little FYI. We were doing a drive, and I seen this deer come, and I'm like, okay. So we're just showing a little bit. Standing right here, came up through the hollow, and my son said, Dad, go! I said, where? Boom! Holy shiznit. Look at that red carpet. Holy moly, 270. That's a good one. And here I walked over there, I'm on the lower run. I'm like, I don't know, I don't see the blood. He said, what are you, nuts? Oh yeah. I think I heart shot it. God damn. No, good eater though. Her heart, right? Yeah, buddy. Oh my Jesus. I've never encountered a blood trail like this. Ever. I painted the woods red. Oh. Makes it pretty easy to follow this one. You poured down? Yo, I've never seen a red carpet like this ever in my life. So, she did. Well, I was walking down there. Oh, I painted it. I don't think she got a drop left in her. And there it is.
Good eater. 2-year-old.
I said I think I hit it too low. I thought I hit it too low.
This fucking thing didn't go off.
What?
It went, doop.
That chases?
Yeah. I think I forgot the other safety, the push one.
Well, some guys shot down there, but we don't know what they got. I think they got the buck.
It was Chase's dad, or Chase's dad, and then somebody else above him. God, hey, look at the hole.
Oh, heart shot baby.